Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafi rasulillah wa ala alihi sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Respected Asadis and my dear friends, today I am very happy to stand in front of you because on this golden opportunity I would like to share few things about education. We know that nowadays the students are not getting the education behalf of the education departments. We know that our education ministers, they have no education. Without education, the department had leading. That's why the education is not giving to every students. We know that our youngsters are not they are creating a problems because of the education. They are not getting sufficient education. That's why the youngsters are getting more and more problems about the topic. We know that our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was said that gain education wherever it may be. You have to gain knowledge. It were from China, and also you have to gain knowledge wherever it may be. We know that our leaders, our ulamas are conducting so many programs to the youngsters because the students are not getting good education, and also they are not getting good motivation with the youngsters and young teachers. We know that every education policy have to improve their knowledges, and also they have to give good education to the students and the leaders. Nowadays, political leaders, we know that without education, nothing is possible. What we have to gain without education, nothing. Because we know that when we are going to the foreign countries, the students, the employers, they need good educated persons. That's why every people, every students, every persons, they need good quality of the education. Without the education, nothing is impossible. By saying this, I am going to conclude my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.